Hi there DevNoobs! Another week is ahead of us with another set of 5 string methods to learn. First of them is going to be a successor of a method from last Friday. Its name is matchAll. Enough chit-chat, let's dive right in. The matchAll method returns an iterator of all results matching a string against a regular expression, including capturing groups. We need to provide a regular expression to find matches as a mandatory parameter of the method. This has to have a global flag G, otherwise we get a type error thrown. The result of the matchAll method is an iterator of matches found. Each of the matches is represented as an array. First value in an array is a matched string, then there is 0, 1 or more items representing each of the captured groups, followed by extra property index representing the starting position of found match, and extra property input representing string used for finding matches. Phew, that was something. Okay, let's make sure it's not that difficult in the first example. I graciously borrowed example inputs from the previous method so you can see the difference in the behavior of both sister methods. One difference is that we have to use the global flag, otherwise we get what we see as the first case. We get type error informing us of this exact situation. Second difference is that what we get is not an array but an iterable object. No worries, we use spread syntax to turn it into an array and we are golden. As specified in the theory part of the video, we get not only matched string but also captured groups, index and input properties. I manufactured some captured groups into our regular expression using brackets. Captured group is nothing more than any expression enclosed within brackets. Other than that, our results are pretty much the same. First set of results is case sensitive and the other is not, thanks to the I flag. Moving on. I did not mention it in the theory part, but the iterator of matches we get as a result of our matches is not restartable. It means that once we iterate through all of the matches, we cannot use the result again. I know it sounds strange, so let's check it out in example 2. We have our regular expression to find all the words starting with capital letters. In the first case, we assign the result of the matchAll to the variable foundMatches. We try to iterate over it using the for-of loop. Everything works fine for the first time. But the second time we get nothing, because there is nothing to iterate over. Iterator saved in our variable is non-restartable. Luckily, there is a second case which first converted an iterator into an array using spread syntax. As we know, an array's iterator is restartable and we can loop through an array as many times as we like. Yet another option would be case 3, when we execute the method as many times as we need and always output its results. Last thing I want to show you is that you can always access additional properties like index and captured groups when using the matchAll method, because sometimes we need more than just the actual matches. But that is all that match can provide us with when used in tandem with the global flag. But that might not be enough for us. We might need some extra information. So what to do next? Let's find out in the last example. If we want to access that additional information without using the matchAll method, we would have to use the exec method instead. Then we would have to iterate over the results using the while loop. That is definitely a less comfortable solution. Alright, That's it for the matchAll. There are definitely a lot more use cases we would cover, but I believe we managed to explain the important bits at least. You will have to Google stuff when you encounter something specific, but at least now you will have some idea what's going on. As usual, thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next video.